Nalalaman nating at pinananaligan na ang walang hanggang pag-ibig ng Diyos ay mananatili magpakailanman kung ang salita ng Diyos ay mananatili sa puso. Jude and Brenda, sa Kanya ang Diyos ngayon at sa habang panahon. Ang Diyos na buhay ang siyang magngunguna, papatnubay sa ating pagtitipon sa hapon po na ito.
Pogi ako ngayon.
Bakal. Ay, ang gaganda nyo. Ano ba kayo? Magkakaaway ba tayo? Ano ba?
My love, when you came into my life, everything changed in the most beautiful way. Biglang naging mas magaan ang lahat, mas maliwanag at mas may saysay. Hindi ko inakala na may taong darating na magbibigay sa akin ng ganito kalalim na saya, kapayapaan at inspirasyon.
I want to start by saying I love you and happy wedding day, my love. When I was preparing na isulat tong vows ko, ang sabi doon, started with how you felt when you first met. Ang kaso lang, hindi ko na matandaan how I felt. Noon na kitang makita, or noon na tayong nakita, kasi we were only 10 and 11 years old back then. God really is the most amazing writer of our lives. Kasi kilala na natin ng isa't isa simula pa ng grade 5 tayo. And little did I know, that guy, you will be the man na makakasama ko sa altar sa harap ng Panginoon at mga mahal ko sa buhay.
Na naparito upang makipagsangdibdib sa babaeng ito, handa mo bang ipagkaloob ang iyong sarili para sa kanya? Opo, Pastor.
Because of you, I see the world differently. Even the simplest days feel special and the smallest moments become memories. Ikaw ang naging pahinga ko at lakas ko. You are the person I run to when life feels heavy and the one I celebrate within every joyful moment.
I see it in your eyes. You're losing all your light. Each day feels longer than the day that came before. You can't see your way out. You've run out of time now.
God gave me you kasi alam niya na you and our relationship will help me to become a better person. God knew I needed you. Love, ikaw ang patunay ng kabutihan ng Diyos sa akin.
Never give up, don't give up now. I'll take this pain for you. I will pull you through. I'll be with you till the end.
Our relationship tested not just distance, but our patience too. Most of all, it tested my faith, my trust in God, at sa mga plano niya sa buhay natin.
With you till the end.
Ikaw ang paborito kong kasama sa tawanan, sa mga biyahe, sa mga pangarap at kahit sa katahimikan. Sa piling mo, natutunan ko ng tunay na pagmamahal ay hindi lang nasusukat sa malaking bagay, kundi nasusukat sa maliit na sandali, sa pag-intindi at sa presensya natin para sa isa't isa.
Maaring maraming bagay yung po pwedeng makita sa inyong paglalakbay bilang mag-asawa. Pero ang pinakamabuti na lagi natin titingnan kung paano kayo nagsimula.
I'll take this pain for you. I will pull you through. I'll be with you till the end. With you till the end. Through the fire and rain, I will be your strength. I'll be with you till the end. With you till the end.
Ikaw ang gusto kong makasama sa bawat umaga nagigising ako at sa bawat gabi na ipagdadasal ko ang ating buhay. I promise to build a life with you, one filled with love, respect, patience, and laughter. Together, we will create a home where love never fades and where every challenges only make us stronger.
It's been a while since we felt the way we did back when we were dumb and younger.
Maraming laman yan. Open nyo.
It's been a while since I looked into your eyes and saw starlight, bold bright colors again. When I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
Through you, I learned that it's so important to leave everything in God's hands because if it's His will, it will be done no matter what.
All the nuance, every letter.
And here we are today, about to be a husband and wife. Sinabi ko pa bago tayo magsimulang mag-usap, autopass ka ako sa LDR. Pero sabi ni Lord, walang autopass kapag will ko. At eto na nga tayo ngayon, from autopass to loving you and loving who you are.
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
Today, in front of our family and friends, I make this promise to you, pipiliin kita araw-araw, hindi lang sa mga gaan na araw, kundi lalo na sa mga panahong mahirap ang lahat.
When I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else.
You took the leap of faith at umuwi ka dito sa Pinas to do things for our wedding, for us, and to be with me. You are my Philippians chapter 1, verse 3. I thank my God every time I remember you. I love you so very much, Mr. Ko.
Choose you